Hello and welcome to the first project for your Word course with me. So the first thing that I'm going to do is change the name up here from _1 to _2 in case you forgot. So we're going to go to File and we're going to go to Save As. I'm going to make sure that I browse to find my documents and so that I know where it's going. And I'll change the _1 to an _2. Okay, so the name is now changed. So anytime I do anything here to make sure I'm saving it, I'll just click my floppy disk up here. Okay, so I have my instructions printed. You could open it up and just toggle back and forth between both Word documents, or you could split the screen like I showed you in Computer Fundamentals. However, I have mine printed. So step 1, you work in the financial aid department of Avery University and are creating a flyer to advertise upcoming financial aid workshops. Begin by making the following changes to the document theme and the theme colors to match other documents from the financial aid department. A. Change the document theme to Office. B. Change the document theme colors to red. Okay, so we need to change the document theme, and if you remember this from your Computer Fundamentals projects, we go to Design. Here's our themes. So we need to change the whole theme to Office. So click on Office. And B says change the document theme colors to red. So I'll go over and look. Oh, here it is. There's colors to red. All right, so that changes all of your options when you go back here to look at your font type. Everything is in the red palette. Okay, step 2. Change the margins to narrow to fit more content on the page. So margins are found over in Layout, Margins, Narrow. Step 3, make the picture of the students more eye-catching and suitable for the layout as follows. A, resize the picture to a height of 2.5 inches. B, apply the center shadow rectangle picture style. C, apply the glow 5-point brown accent color 6 glow picture effect. Okay, so we're looking at resize. So we're going to click on the picture because if you don't have the picture selected, you don't have any extra picture tools up here. Click on the picture and you now have new picture tools. So click on Picture, Format, and over to the right-hand side here, you're going to see Size, and they want height of 2.5. So I showed you this in the Computer Fundamentals. If your computer is not set up for inches, but it's set up for centimeters, you're going to have to check out my YouTube channel to find the video to change your whole computer to inches. And a quick way to do it is to just type in the number and then put in double quotations, which is usually next to the Enter button on your keyboard. So I hit Shift and hit that, and then just hit Enter, and what that will do is it will automatically convert. Like you will see centimeters right now if your computer was in centimeters, but it will be exactly what 2.5 inches will be converted to centimeters. So it will still be marked right by Sam. B, apply the center shadow rectangle picture style. So I'm looking for picture styles, which are here. Center shadow rectangle. Center shadow rectangle. So it's a bit of a guessing game, but just keep hovering until you find what you're looking for. C, apply the glow 5-point brown accent color 6 glow picture effect. So picture effects are right here. We are in the glow and we need to find 5-point brown accent color 6. Accent color. There we go. Step 4, draw attention to the flyer's headline paragraph, Financial Aid Workshops. Oh, here it is. As follows. Change the paragraph spacing before to 12 points. B, change the paragraph spacing after to 6 points. C, change the case to uppercase. And D, change the font size to 28 points. So I'm going to highlight this and I'm going to go up to our paragraph drop down where we find our spacing. Here's our before and after. It says before to 12 points and after to 6. And it wants you to change the whole thing to uppercase. So you go here to this little A uppercase and lowercase a, click on that and you get some options here. So we'll click on uppercase, and D says to change the font size to 28 points, so it's 24 right now. I'm just going to hit the up arrow here to get it up to 28. Okay, step 5, copy the text Avery University from the heading paragraph beginning Financial Aid Department, so that's up at the top here, so Avery University. I'm going to right click and copy, or you can also copy right here, and paste it in the blank paragraph after the financial aid workshops headline. So that's the blank paragraph right here. Paste it, you can click here, or you can right click and just choose keep source formatting. Yep. Step 6, bold the date Monday, November 8th in the paragraph that begins Monday, November 8th. Right here. There we go. So you can do it in the quick toolbar right here, or you can do it up on the top. I'm just going to do it right there. Step 7, create a bulleted list beginning with the paragraph Monday, November 8th at 7 p.m. and ending with the paragraph individual meetings to 4 p.m. to make the date paragraphs easier to read. So that's just the two of these guys right here. All right, so bulleted list, you can also do that from your quick toolbar. Step 8, add the words requesting the to the paragraph beginning the workshops present so that it reads the workshops present guidelines for requesting the following types of financial aid. The workshops present guidelines for requesting the. Step 9, italicize the text often with interest in the paragraph beginning loans. Often with interest. Again, I'm going to use the quick toolbar. Step 10, delete the unnecessary sentence, jobs are usually available on campus in the paragraph beginning work study. So they want you to delete this useless paragraph or sentence right here. Okay, so we're going to highlight the workshop list, and we're going to give it the font Trebuchet MS. And then it wants you to change the color to dark red accent 1. So it gives you a hint here. 5th column, 5th row in the theme color palette. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5th row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Step 12. Draw attention to the web address in the paragraph beginning complete financial aid guidelines as follows to make that information easier to find. Complete financial aid. So, this guy. Remove the hyperlink from the web address. And B, apply the text effect orange accent 2 to the web address. Okay, so we're going to right click on it. We're going to remove the hyperlink. Oops. Then we're going to try and just highlight the web address. And we're going to give it a text effect. So we're going to go up here to the text effects, and it says 6th column, 1st row in the outline gallery. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Orange accent 2. Step 13, format the paragraph beginning complete financial aid guidelines as follows to make it stand out. We're going to center the paragraph. So I'm going to click, a quick way to click on one full line at a time would be to click out in the margin, and you can highlight that full line without having to pull and drag, click drag. There we go. Center the paragraph. Can't do that here, so I'll go up and center it. B, apply the paragraph shading dark red accent one liner 80% to the entire paragraph. So paragraph shading, again, is our tipped over paint can. And they're giving you a hint here, 5th column, 2nd row. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 80%. That's it. Step 14, insert a picture as follows to balance the layout of the page. So A, in the blank line at the bottom of the page, so that's this one right here. Insert the support file that you saved, which was next to your start file from Sam. So we're going to insert a picture from this device. And it will open up your picture files. Mine is in downloads, and yours probably will be in downloads as well. Graduation. Resize the picture to a height of 1 inch. So because I have it open, picture format tools open up, and it wants me to give it height of 1. There we go. Step 15. Finish the flyer by adding a page border as follows. A, select a dotted page border. Okay, so I'm going to go to page border. Design, yes, in design is my page borders over here. And I'm going to select the second border in the style list. B, change the border color to brown accent 5, which is the 9th column, 1st row. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1st row. And C, change the width of the border to 1.5. So default is 1/2 point. You're going to change it to 1.5. Click OK, and we have added our border. Alright, so on your instructions you have a final figure, so you can just size it up, compare it to that, make sure that it looks right. And then when you're all happy with it, you click the Save button and go submit it to Sam. Great job!